In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around an image in Mailchimp. If you've ever wanted to give your email or landing page a more polished look, wrapping text around an image is an excellent way to do just that. It not only creates a visually appealing design, but also makes your content easier to read and more engaging for your audience. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process and I'll walk you through every step. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the email or landing page draft you're working on in Mailchimp. Once you're in the builder, look to the content panel on your screen. This is where you'll find all the building blocks you can use to create your layout. What we're looking for is the text block. Now, grab that text block by dragging and dropping it into your layout. This is where you'll add your text content. Once you've positioned it where you'd like, go ahead and type in your desired content. It could be your message, a paragraph, or anything you want to include in the email. You'll want to make sure the text is complete before adding your image, so it's easier to position everything. Next, place your cursor in the text at the exact point where you want the image to appear. This part is important because the image will insert directly where your cursor is, so take a moment to decide the placement. Once you've positioned your cursor, look at the text editor toolbar above the text box. There, you'll see an icon for the Content Studio. It looks like a small picture or image. Click on that. This will open up your image library in Mailchimp. If you already have the image you want to use in your library, go ahead and select it. If not, you can upload a new file by clicking the Upload option and choosing the image from your device. Once you've selected the image, click the Insert button to place it into the text block. After inserting the image, you might be asked to set the dimensions. If you're happy with the default size, simply click Save and Insert. Otherwise, you can adjust the dimensions to fit your design. Don't worry, you can always tweak this later if needed. Now, you'll see the image sitting inside the text block. Click directly on the image to highlight it. This will bring up additional formatting options in the toolbar. To wrap the text around the image, choose either the Align Left or Align Right icon. Align Left will position the image on the left side with the text wrapping to the right, while Align Right will do the opposite. Pick whichever option works best for your layout. Once you've aligned the image, you may notice that the text might need a little extra space to flow nicely around it. To fix this, you can adjust the spacing manually. Use the Enter key to add line breaks, or press the space bar to add some gaps between the text and the image. This step is all about making sure everything looks clean and professional. Finally, take a moment to preview your layout. In the builder, there's an option to preview your design as your audience will see it. This step is essential to make sure everything looks just right. If you're happy with how it all looks, click Save and Close to finalize your changes. And there you have it. Wrapping text around an image in Mailchimp is that simple. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in how your content is presented. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.